Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to install HP LaserJet 1010 printer in Windows 10 by USB port. It is very simple process. First of all, download the link given in the description. If your machine is 32-bit, then 32-bit. If your machine is 64-bit, then 64-bit. Then go to your control panel. Just click on the start and go to the control panel. In control panel, just find devices and printers. Here, just click on the add a printer at the top. Click on the printer I want isn't listed. Click on the add a local printer. Click on next. Click on the ports and go to the port COM04 or go to the USB. I am going to the USB port. Click on the next. Here, go to the have a disk. Go to the browse and go to your folder. My folder on the desktop. So I go to the desktop. So here is my folder. Open it. Click on OK. Then select the 1010. Next. Next. So our printer is working very fine. You can see my printer's voice. So close it, finish. That's all guys, our printer is working fine. So guys, thank you for watching this video guys, and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video guys. Thank you guys.